Looking for the best tools to upgrade your workshop or DIY game? Today, we're diving into 15 must-have gadgets, from precision saws and miter gauges to sanders, clamps, and even a cordless chainsaw that'll make tough jobs effortless. Stick around because we're showing every feature, tip, and pro trick to get the most out of your tools. Don't forget, all the links to these tools are in the description box below, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss our ultimate tool guides. Introducing the PacTool Snapper Shear Pro, the precision attachment built for serious builders. Lock it onto any 18-volt drill and move through 1/4 to 1/2 inch hardy backer fiber cement with controlled, effortless cuts. The 360 degrees rotating shear head gives you authority over every shape: straight runs, tight corners, smooth curves, even clean 3-inch circles. No dust storms, no score and snap guesswork. Whether you're cutting around outlets, hardware, or complex siding layouts, this tool delivers the accuracy, speed, and confidence professionals rely on. This is the GOINGMAKE miter gauge, and if you want faster, cleaner, and more accurate cuts, this upgrade is a game changer. The micro-adjust flip stop lets you fine-tune your measurements down to 0.001 inch, making repeat cuts incredibly precise. The zero calibration knob sets you up in seconds, and the protractor gives you 11 rock-solid angle stops from -60 degrees to 60 degrees. The telescoping fence extends to 36 inches, so long crosscuts stay stable and controlled. Plus, the fully adjustable miter bar fits perfectly into any standard 3/8 by 3/4 T-slot. Smooth, accurate, and built for serious woodworking. Slice through pallet repair like a pro with the EZARC 9-inch reciprocating saw blades. The reverse tip design prevents jamming and bending, keeping every cut smooth. With a 10/14 TPI Vario tooth layout, vibration is minimized while cutting through nail-embedded wood. Flexible yet strong at 0.035 inches, these blades handle flush cuts, corners, and tight spots with ease. Plus, the 20-pack gives you more blades and less hassle, making pallet repair faster, cleaner, and more efficient for contractors and DIYers alike. Cut faster, cleaner, and smarter with the DOVAMAN 10-inch sliding miter saw. 3 TCT blades and dual-speed settings let you tackle wood, PVC, and soft metals effortlessly. The 13-inch sliding rail and extendable side tables handle large materials with ease, while 9 positive stops make bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees simple and precise. The built-in laser guide ensures every cut hits the mark, and the 15-amp pure copper motor delivers smooth, reliable power. Ergonomic and ambidextrous, it's perfect for both left and right-handed users. Professional performance, DIY-friendly design, and a 2-year warranty all in one saw. Build a sturdy work surface in minutes with the BORA Jobhorse Sawhorse's 2-pack. These heavy-duty steel brackets turn any 2X lumber into a workhorse that supports up to 1,000 pounds. Angled teeth grip the lumber securely, while foot-activated hinge locks let you set up hands-free. The steel foot plates keep your sawhorse stable on any terrain, from soft grass to uneven ground. Lightweight, portable, and versatile, it's perfect for woodworking, DIY projects, or any job site. Quick, solid, and reliable. Transform your lumber into a rock-solid workstation anywhere you need it. Meet the Worx Compact Circular Saw, designed for one-hand operation and ultimate maneuverability. Its slim, lightweight design lets you rip through stock lumber up to 2 inches thick with ease. Quick depth adjustments and 45 degrees bevel cuts give you precision on every project, while the dust port keeps your workspace clean and safe. Changing blades is fast and simple with the spindle lock and hex key system. Perfect for DIYers or pros, the Worx saw is built to deliver efficiency, accuracy, and durability, helping you tackle projects faster and smarter. Do it yourself. Do it better. Do it with Worx. Install door locks quickly and accurately with the KATA door lock installation kit. This all-in-one set comes with carbon steel hole saws, an arbor with drill bit, and an adjustable plastic guide template to fit standard wood doors. Snap lock arms let you set the back set and door width in seconds, making precise drilling a breeze. Designed for common lock sizes, it works perfectly for 1, 1/3/8 and 1/3/4 thick doors. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use, while the simple 4-step process lets you complete installations faster and cleaner than ever. Make lock installation effortless with KATA. Upgrade your circular saw with the Milescraft Track Saw Guide, universal for most 7/1/4 saws. With a 50-inch cutting range out of the box and extendable options, you can rip full sheets with ease. All-metal construction keeps the guide rigid, reducing flex for clean, precise cuts every time. Its low-profile handles cuts over 1/3/4 deep, perfect for doors and thicker boards, while the red cutting strip acts as a straight-edge guide to minimize splintering. Simple, sturdy, and versatile, this track saw guide is a must-have for DIYers and woodworkers who demand accuracy and speed. Secure, align, and pre-drill cabinets faster than ever with the Manram Cabinet Clamps 2-pack. These high-performance face frame clamps handle styles up to 1/1/4 thick with a clamping force of 300 to 600 pounds. The built-in drill guide ensures perfect pilot holes, while felt pads protect your cabinet surfaces during use. Compact and portable, the set comes with a protective case for easy storage and transport. Streamline multiple steps into one smooth operation. Tighten, align, and screw without removing the clamp. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike. These clamps make cabinet installation faster, cleaner, and more precise every time. Upgrade your sanding game with this random orbit sander. With 6 adjustable speeds from 6,000 to 14,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers precision for woodworking, polishing, and paint removal. The upgraded solid copper motor ensures consistent power and up to 30% longer life, while the ergonomic handle reduces vibration for comfortable, controlled use. Its efficient dust collection system keeps your workspace clean, with a dust bag or vacuum adapter for versatile setup. Comes with 15 sanding discs, 60, 80, 120 grit, for smooth, professional results. Lightweight, powerful, and precise, this sander makes every project faster and cleaner. Unleash your creativity with the WEP Dual Pin Wood Burning Kit, 34 in 1, ready for professional pyrography. Featuring 2 detachable pins with 20 tips, you can switch between pin A and pin B instantly for different effects without constantly changing tips. Adjustable temperatures from 250 degrees Celsius to 750 degrees Celsius let you burn wood, leather, paper, gourds, and more with precision. The kit includes stencils, unfinished wood, a pin holder, tweezers, and pliers, giving you everything to start right away. Safe, versatile, and professional grade, this dual pin wood burner turns any surface into a canvas for detailed, creative artwork. Upgrade your woodworking safety with the POWERTEC Universal Tandem Featherboards 2-pack. Designed to reduce kickback and provide optimal feed control, these featherboards hold your stock securely for precise, consistent cuts. Each board comes with threaded 5-star knobs, T-bolts, and miter slot brackets for easy mounting, while the reversible profile and miter lock system fit both T-slots and miter slots. Adaptable for table saws, band saws, and router tables, they offer versatile, horizontal or vertical mounting with included spacers. Built from high-quality, durable plastic and finished in bright orange, these featherboards are quick to adjust and engineered for long-term use. Achieve precise cuts every time with the 7-piece aluminum router table setup bars. Each block has a different thickness, letting you measure heights, depths, angles, or stack them for infinite variations. This versatile set doubles as a height gauge, depth gauge, square stack, and angle gauge. Made from anodized aluminum with laser-etched markings, they're durable, easy to read, and safe for your hands and router bits. Comes with a protective storage case. Perfect for accurate, efficient woodworking setups. Hold your projects securely with the BORA Centipede Wide Panel Supports 4-pack. Designed for Centipede workbenches, their 9 inches by 2.75 inches non-slip surface keeps materials stable while cutting. Each support rotates 360 degrees for perfect positioning, and the 3/4-inch posts fit easily into Centipede struts for quick setup. Durable and built to last, these panels reduce stress and improve safety, making large panels easier to handle. Ideal for woodworkers and DIYers, they bring precision, stability, and efficiency to every project. Power through any job with the YARDCARE cordless chainsaw. The 4.0 Ah battery delivers long runtime, while power and eco modes on the LED display optimize efficiency. Its brushless motor provides strong, reliable performance, and the tool-free Chain Tension Plus automatic oil system keeps cuts smooth and precise. Innovative gripping claws ensure stability and multiple safety features, including an e-brake and overload protection, keep you safe. Perfect for pruning, wood cutting, and professional outdoor work.